Can you hear me? All of you? So there is no general formula for formation of isomers. Keep it in mind, up to n is equals to 7. That is also like with some observation, we have been formed the general formula. Like somebody like you people, the general formula up to n is equals to less than 7. Up to n is equals to less than 7. N is equals to greater than 7. No general formula. Please remember. So for isomers, okay. So up to n is equals to 7, the formula is 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. So this is the formula. So all of you check it, everybody. So up to n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3. What will happen, everybody? 2 power 1 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power minus 3, negligible, plus 1, only plus 1. Same way here, 2 power 2 minus 4, which is equal plus 1, which is equals, that is also negative. So plus 1. Like that, n is equals to 4 will come. What will happen? 2 power 4 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 means what? Anything power 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, which is equals to how much, guys? How much? N equals to 4. How many isomers? Verify it, everybody. N is equals to 4. How many isomers? All of you.
2 isomers.
N is equals to 4. How many isomers? 2 isomers.
2.
Yes. Okay. Now n is equals to 5. Verify. N is equals to 5. How many isomers? N is equals to 5. How many isomers? 2 power 5 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power 5 minus 4, 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1, which is equals to how many isomers?
3 isomers.
3 isomers. Who is that saying 5 isomers? N is equals to 6. N is equals to 7. I said this general formula is not a official formula. It is just we are making for our convenience. So, but remember, up to n is equals to 7, all the isomers, it's compulsory to learn. No excuse at all. So 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 power 2 plus 1. So 2 power 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 1, which is equals to how many? 5. N is equals to 7. 2 power 7 minus 4 plus 1. So 2 power 7 means 3. So 2 cube is how much? 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 1, which is equals to how much amount? Yes, please.
9 isomers.
9. So n is equals to 8. No general formula. No general formula from n is greater than 7. Please understand, everybody. So, but up to 10 you learn it. Just for our conversation. Please mute yourself.
No.
Vardhan and Kirtiraja, mute. What is this? Be active. I don't know who is that. N is equals to 8. How many isotopes? Isomers? 18. N is equals to 9. 35. N is equals to 10. How much, everybody? 70 isomers. Okay. But everybody should learn N is equals to 4, 5, 6. 100%. One question definitely will be there in the board exam. I hope you all understand what I'm saying. Definitely there will be a question in the board exam in between n is equals to 4, 5, and 6. I hope you all understanding. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed the isomers of this. N is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 4, 5, and 6. 7 also not required. Up to 6, at least we should learn. Purema, ellame. So now, let us start with that. All of you. So n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1. What is the formula? Everybody, CH-4. So, number of isomers. What is the number of isomers, Amma? Number of isomers. How many? Single. One. That one itself it is. So, what is the structure, everybody? CH-4. Over. So, C single bond, single bond, single bond, over. Next. N is equals to 2. C2H6. So, how many isomers? How many isomers? 1. So, again, same thing. C single bond C, C triple bond. So, H, 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 and H. So this is what. Are you clear? Everybody understand, Amma? Please respond. Next, N is equals to 3. C3H8. C3H8 also number of isomers is 1 only. So what is that? C single bond C, because alkanes only. So first carbon 3 hydrogens, second carbon 2 hydrogen, third carbon 3 hydrogens. So H, and H. Here also hydrogen and hydrogen, and here also hydrogen, and hydrogen. So this is what is about. Now, when N is equals to 4, it is very important. So what is the formula? N is equals to 4 means C4, H10. So it is a butane. Butane, how many isomers, everybody? How many isomers? 2 isomers. Am I right? All of you, isomers. First one is same structure. All are in straight chain. Can you write all are in straight chain? Everybody, you have to say it. Okay. Then first carbon, how many hydrogens? 3. Second carbon, 2. Third carbon, 2. Fourth, last carbon again, 3. So hydrogen. Just please, can you all able to understand or not? All of you? Each carbon has to satisfy how many bonds? Everybody? Each carbon has to satisfy how many bonds? 4 bonds. That alone you have to remember always. Understand, Mr. Noor, Nimish? So that is the first structure. So what is the name of this one? Condensed formula, you write it. Can you tell me condensed structural formula? Everybody? Speak loudly. CH3.
CH8 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3.
Understand, Mr. Vijay? Mr. Hariseras? Yes. So butane. What is the name of this one? First isomer, everybody? Butane. Okay. Now all of you observe very carefully. Now remove one carbon and attach it to the middle carbon. As I said, never attach it to the last and first carbon. So 3 carbons I am taking in the main chain, and 1 carbon I am attaching to the second carbon or middle carbon. Now you balance the hydrogens, everybody. First carbon, how many hydrogens? 3. Second carbon, 1, 2, 3 already over. How many hydrogens? Everybody. Yes, please. 1 hydrogen. Third carbon also 3 hydrogens. Now naming of branched chain. You remember, you have to follow certain rules. Am I right, everybody? All of you? Now, what is the next duty? Identifying the longest carbon chain. What is the longest carbon chain? How many? 3. 3 means, what is the name of that? 3. Also 3. All of you. Propane. Okay. Now, and there is a alkyl group. What is that alkyl group? Everybody. There is a alkyl group here. What is that alkyl group? I am asking. Methyl group. So methyl group, and it is present for left to right or right to left. Middle carbon will come what? Everybody. Middle carbon will come what? All of you. Left to right or right to left. Middle carbon will come second only. So what will happen? 2-methyl propane. This is the isomer of butane. So totally how many isomers for butane? Everybody? How many isomers for butane? Everyone? Yes, please. 2 isomers. That's all, guys. Nothing is there. Already this one we studied or not? Branched chain. Yes or no? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Next. Isomer of, next N is equals to 5. What is the isomer of pentane? How many, guys? Isomer of pentane? All of you? Yes, please.
3.
3. Okay, then draw, everybody. Isomers of pentane. And one more thing I forgot. This one, what is the common name? Hari. 2-methyl propane. We also call it as something. which is called it as a isobutane. Please note it. Isobutane. What is to call, everybody? Isobutane. Okay, man. Who is that sound, Ra? Please check it there. So do you all understand, everybody? So what is the name of this one? Isobutane. Also call it as 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. So what do you mean by iso? Remember, for pentane also we'll write iso and neo. I already taught you people. Iso means, remember, in which one methyl group is present at the last second carbon. Note it, everybody. Iso means methyl group is present. Methyl group is present. Okay. Methyl group is present at the last second carbon atom. Okay, do you understand? Carbon atom of the parent hydrocarbon chain. Parent hydrocarbon chain. That is what we used to call it as a iso. Wherever you will find last second carbon having a methyl group, it is actually iso. So please note that. Do you all understand, everybody? Yes? All of you? So what is the isomers of butane? Anybody? N-butane, common name. N-butane is the isomer and isobutane is the isomer. So butane, these are the isotopes of what? Sorry, isomers of what? Isomers of butane. So N-butane and isobutane. These are what? Common names are? IUPAC names are? Common names. Understanding? But exam, they always will give you common name only. They will give the common name and they will ask us to draw the structure. That is why I always will say, give importance to common name. I hope you all able to understand. I don't know. So please, anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Or mute everybody. Nothing will happen. If anything I ask only, you can. Do you all understand, guys? Everybody, are you clear? Yes, Mitakshri? So, what is the isotopes of butane, everybody? N-butane and, sorry, isomers. N-butane and isobutane are the isomers of butane. So, note it that, okay? So, what is the IUPAC name of N-butane? Everybody, IUPAC name of N-butane? Butane, okay? And what is the isobutane? What is the IUPAC name of isobutane, everybody? 2-methyl. 2-methyl. What is the parental chain?
Propane.
Parental chain number of carbons are 3. Mr. Nimish, are you doing, boy? Parental chain number of isomers, number of carbons are 3. So 3 means what is that? Propane. That's all it is. Okay, ma? All of you understand, ma? Yes? Clear? Then
Yes,
let us write now. Pentane. So what is the pentane formula, everybody? C5. C5H12. Okay, wow. Yes. So you can write it, everybody. So pentane. First, all are in straight chain. That itself is the thing. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. Remember, minimum number of carbons in the carbon chain. It should not come down less than 3. Okay, for pentane. So that's what, all carbons. So first carbon, how many hydrogens? Count it, everybody. First carbon, how many hydrogens? Balance it. 3. Second carbon, 2. Third carbon, 2. Fourth carbon, also 2. And last carbon, what is that, Amma?
3 hydrogen.
3 hydrogens. Okay. So that's all it is. If you want, you can write the condensed formula. What is the condensed formula? CH3, CH2, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH3. So now, what is the common name, everybody? What is the common name? N-pentane. N-pentane. What is the IUPAC name, everybody? IUPAC name? Pentane. Okay, what? IUPAC name is what, everybody? Pentane. Clear, everyone? That is the first one. Now, 1 carbon, you remove it and you attach it to the second carbon from right side or left side, whatever it is. So I'm bringing here and attaching here. So next branched chain will become, that is what second one. Carbon, 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 and carbon. 4 are in parental chain. 1 is in a branched chain. So what is the number of carbons in parental chain, everybody? How many parental chain? How many parental chain, guys? Yes, please.
4.
4. 4 means what, Amma?
Butane.
Butane. Next. Branch is present for which carbon, Amma? Second carbon.
Second carbon.
So, because why? Whatever it is, you have to give the what? That carbon should get what? Lowest possible number. Am I right or wrong? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
One. That is what. So now, first fill the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. But here see 1, 2, 3 over. How many hydrogens? 1. Here only 2 over, then 2 hydrogens. And last one only 1 over. How many hydrogens will come? Everybody? 3
Three.
hydrogens will come. And down also only 1 is over. So that how many hydrogens will come? 3 hydrogens will come. And we all knows that this is a functional group of something. CH3. What is that? Yes, please.
Methyl.
Methyl. Alkyl group. So 2-methyl butane. This is the, okay, IUPAC name. So now, second carbon is having isotope. Second carbon is having alkyl group. Then, what is the common name? Everybody? Common name. Second one, just now I told you now. Second one is having the branch. That is what alkyl group. It will be turned up into what? Second one is having last second carbon. Yeah. Iso what? Pentane. Okay. Isopentane. Okay. Then last structure. Take 2 carbons and are attached. So make 3 carbons are there in the parental chain. Attach 2 carbons for the same carbon. So that is what it is over. Now balance it. First carbon, how many hydrogens? Check it, everybody. First carbon, 3 hydrogen. Second carbon, is there any hydrogen? Already 4 bonds are over. Then how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Then this carbon also, how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens.
3
Last carbon also, how many hydrogens?
3 hydrogen.
Okay, so over. Everything is over. Now, what is the common name? Everybody. Common name. I already taught you, Ra. This is not the first time you are doing. Branch chain you already done. Anybody? Neopentane. What is the common name? Neopentane. And IUPAC name. So first identify maximum longest carbon chain. What is the longest carbon chain?
3 carbons.
3 carbon. 3 means what, Amma? 3 means
Propane.
what? Everybody. 3 means propane. Am I right? Sorry, not pro. 3 means what? Propane only. Am I right, guys? So 3 means propane. Okay. Next. Which carbon is having the branch? Alkyl group. 1, 2, 3. Or if you go with the 1, 2, 3. So lowest carbon number. Which is the lowest carbon? 2. So how many?
2.
2 branches are there. So 2 alkyl groups. So 2, 2. And this alkyl group. What is the name of this alkyl groups? Everybody?
Methyl.
Methyl group. So 2 methyl groups are there. If 2 are there, what is to call? Everybody?
Dimethyl.
Dimethyl propane. That is the name. And this is the common name. Anybody having any doubt, please kindly do it. So this is what is the, how many isomers for n is equals to 5? Everybody? N is equals to 5. How many isomers? All of you? 3 isomers. Okay. Then tomorrow's class I will teach you n is equals to 6 and n is equals to 7. What is the isomers? Okay, possible isomers. N is equals to 5. Sorry, n is equals to 6 and n is equals to 7. And then we will go with the isomers of alkenes and isomerism of alkynes. Just we will just study. Then tomorrow itself, mostly we'll finish the homologous series. And then we have to start the functional groups. That is the most important concept. I hope you all understand, everybody. So anybody having any doubt, please ask me. Are you clear, everyone? Please respond, guys. Yes, please. all of you. So it is not easy at all. I'm saying you again. Those who want to sleep, those who want to enjoy, it is not easy at all. You have to work hard. So if you work hard only, it is possible to get good mark. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. So with this, I'm stopping. I'm leaving, and we'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you, everybody. Kindly get practice. Start doing at least everybody. Don't need general formulas and all. And try to be always focus on the work. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow's class.